Gotta clean that up. We're gonna vacuum everything before we go. So our plan was that this morning we were gonna go for a walk, but we woke up late. We were supposed to go for a walk at 6:30. It's 8:30 now. So we're just gonna do our errands, and then if we have some time after, then we'll go for a walk. Kasi may appointment din ako ng Cairo later, so yeah. But anyways, making the most out of this Sunday. It's only 8:30. It's pretty early still, considering that like there's still lots of time. Anyways, bumalik lang si Katsa upstairs to the appointment because we didn't bring soap, so she just went to get soap. Anyways, yeah, see you guys at the laundromat probably.
Laundry? Huh? Nasa Richmond laundromat tayo.
Okay, let's go. Actually, ito lang naman yung i-wash namin kasi ano na namin ito, dala namin nung camping. Para paalis diretso na. Para paalis diretso na. Ito lang, tapan ako naman. Alright, we're done. It's clean now.
So natapos na kami guys, nasa car na kami. And total na nabayaran namin was $8. Ayan, busy siya. Busy siya sa pag-ano ng sunscreen. Patingin nga ng sunscreen na yan.
It's by, ano ba to? Yung
Korean something?
Korean, ano ba yung tawag doon?
I forgot. Pero
something 5. Number 5? Round 5?
Bigay to ni Tita Joy na nagpunta sila ng Korea. And pasalubong niya sa amin to. Maganda to guys kasi stick siya. And very handy talaga. And very perfect.
And hindi siya nagme-melt sa car kahit na 36 degrees.
Yeah, and very perfect siya sa amin kasi iniwan lang namin siya sa car. So, yeah. Yun, nag-chip na yung nails ko. Oh my God. Kailangan na siyang very old na yung skin ko kasi laging anyway, napapalayo na yung checka natin. So, total $8 na nabayaran namin doon kasi $6 yung wash and then $6 yung wash and $2 yung dryer. 30 minutes na dryer.
Why is it facing me? Go show them Richmond.
Show them Richmond? This is Richmond. Okay, yeah. But anyways, tapos na kami dun. And ngayon pupunta kami ng Costco, Richmond, kasi may i-return kami. May binili kasi kami na ano. Teka nga. May binili kasi kami doon.
Guys, this is a different day. I'm just wearing the same clothes.
gun yung massager. May binili kami doon. Eh, okay naman siya. Kaso, na-feel namin na hindi naman namin siya everyday gagamitin or siguro.
Pero guys, maganda siya actually. It has the, the heat and cool function. Tapos, iba yung heat and cool niya. Like, cold talaga and hot talaga. So, it's really good. But, in 1 week na meron, or 2 weeks na meron kami nun.
Twice or thrice lang namin siya nagamit.
So, we were like,
not very...
It was on sale kasi kaya namin tinry.
Yeah, and also, kasi nga dahil hindi naman siya lagi nagagamit, nag-occupy siya ng space sa maliit namin na apartment. So, yung inisip namin baka hindi nga naman talaga namin kailangan. Instead, we have the yung foot roller. Yung ganon, meron kaming ganon. Mas nagagamit pa namin yun kaysa sa nung gun na massager. So, i-return na lang namin siya kaysa sa masayang pa siya dun sa tsaka mag-occupy pa siya ng space dun. So, might as well, i-let go na lang, i-return na lang namin, diba? But yes, pupunta kami ngayon ng Costco. Malapit lang naman dito yung Costco dun sa sa laundry shop na pinagpuntahan namin. So, we'll see you guys there.
We're in Costco now. This is what we're returning. Thanks. Line's pretty long. It's pretty cold today. Looks like it's gonna rain. I na-return na namin. We got $100 back. Look, these are on sale. $4.99. These ones, I don't know. We're gonna get some chicken and I don't know, something else. This is nice. I don't know, I think we need this, but I don't know if we're gonna buy one. Oh, this is nice. 23. Wow, this is really good. I know. Yummy. Gotta be tasty. Acquired the chicken and the Sam Brewster. Alright. Okay, sure.
Okay. Ano sasabihin mo?
Sabi ko, alright. Paalis na tayo ng Costco. Papunta na tayo ng Superstore.
May sasabihin siya pero nahulog yung phone niya. Medyo, buti na lang maaga kami guys. Kasi dumadami yung tao kanina.
Guys, yung bagong car namin, no?
Wala. Dumadami na yung tao nung palabas na kami. So, buti na lang maaga pa kami. Hindi pa masyado mahaba yung pila sa Costco. So now, papunta na kami ng Superstore. Malapit lang din naman yung Superstore dito. Para bumili ng mga recados for the bahay. I mean, kakainin namin mamaya. Okay, see you guys.
So we're home now. We're just gonna make some late lunch. It's tuna pala. And then we're gonna eat and then chill. I don't know. There's the Costco chicken cut up, and then our Greek summer-ish salad.
Wow!
Din na lang natin yan. Wahit ko na ngayon. May na.
So good.
Alin ba? Tapos ito, pang chowder bukas. Hi guys, so right now we're going to Suntea because it's Sunday. Okay, this is our last errand for the day to get water. The cat went to go ask for the caps kasi wala na sila. Ito na lang natitira. Small ones. No big ones. So, I guess that's everything. Kanina pa kami nakauwi. Si Kat nag-ready na for bed. And I'm all ready for bed. Inaantay ko na lang si Kat para makapanood kami ng TV. Tapos, that's it for the weekend. Work na naman tomorrow. And, that's life, I guess. I don't know. But anyways, we'll just end the vlog here. Wala naman kaming ibang ganap. So, thanks for watching.